Hello and welcome to another video. If you're studying ACCA or thinking of starting soon, you probably know how hard it is to get free resources, free notes. So in this video, I'm going to show you some genuinely free ACCA study materials, free notes, free lectures, and exam-related materials that you can actually use. I'll be showing you around the websites on screen so you can see exactly where to find everything yourself. Let's get started. Now, before we begin, free doesn't mean low quality. These platforms are especially useful for those who are self-studying or revising or trying to be, a bit more strategic with costs. So even if you plan on using paid tuition or you are already using paid lectures or going to an institute, these resources still work very well as support materials. So let's get started. First of all, we will start with the ACCA Study Hub itself. So many of you will be familiar with this already, and for those of you who are not, you should be knowing what this is. So this is an official ACCA platform which already makes it very reliable in terms of syllabus coverage. You have to log in first using the My ACCA portal, as I'm showing you right now. And then once you log in, you need to go to your qualification, and over there there'll be a link from where you can go to the ACCA Study Hub. Okay, so once you log into the ACCA Study Hub, it's going to ask you to choose a paper that you want to study. You might be studying for multiple papers, so you can enroll for whichever ones you're studying for. And as soon as you enroll, you will see this layout over here. So they have topic by topic chapters, which is basically like a free textbook for you to use. And then there are quizzes on the side here as well. There are flashcards, there are practice questions, and these practice questions are modeled exactly on the actual exam paper that you're going to sit. So these are very useful. These are basically free exam paper questions. And what's helpful here is that everything follows the exact syllabus order. So you're not guessing what's going to come in the exam or not. Everything is according to the ACCA syllabus. And if you're studying on your own, this is a really good place to build your understanding from scratch, or especially for practice, this is a very good place to come to for extra revision questions. Like you might have already done practice from the exam kit of Kaplan or BPP, whichever one you're using. But the ACCA Study Hub has even more questions which you must go through for your exam practice. So this is a really useful free resource that all ACCA students should be aware of. Next is Open Tuition. Now, this is one of the most well-known free ACCA resources, and obviously for good reason. This is because it doesn't just have free notes and free flashcards, but it also has free lectures, which is something that the ACCA Study Hub lacks. And as you can see here, once you select your paper from the drop-down, you get access to free lecture videos. Now, these videos are also available on YouTube, and they're easily searchable, so you can search on YouTube and you'll find these lectures there as well. They're also free downloadable notes that are, unlike the content on the ACCA Study Hub, these are actually very comprehensive and concise. So they not just cover every single thing in the syllabus, but they're also more understandable in the sense that they're not very long or very in-depth, and they focus on the things that will actually be tested in the questions. So Open Tuition is especially helpful if you learn better by listening and you want concepts explained more simply, or you're revising and just need a clear refresher. And a lot of students use Open Tuition alongside the ACCA Study Hub or alongside a study text, just for reinforcing understanding. One disclaimer about Open Tuition is that while their lecture videos are very, very, very good, many of them have been posted a few years back or around 5 or 6 years back. So they might not be up to date with the current syllabus, and this is especially problematic for papers like taxation. So you need to be careful when you're using the Open Tuition lectures, and you need to make sure that you're not watching a video on something that is outdated. Lastly, we have a relatively new resource or a new website, which I recently found out, which is the Hamza Academy. And this one is slightly different in the sense that they're offering free ACCA exam packs, I think only for the current time period. Like maybe in the future, they're going to put a price on these ACCA exam packs. But these are very useful exam packs because you just have to put in your email address and your name, and they're going to send you a pack of exam style questions, revision focused material, and other guidance that is aimed specifically at exam techniques. So this is a very useful website, and I believe they also offer free lectures at the moment. I think they're giving a discount, so it may not always be free in the future, but those of you who are watching the video in the current time period when I've posted it, you need to go and check this website out and download the free exam pack, and also check out your related paper lectures. Okay, so wrapping this up, a practical way to use these together, especially as a self-studying student, would be to use the ACCA Study Hub as your textbook. So for structured learning and for syllabus coverage, making sure that you've completed all the chapters, completed everything that comes under that paper syllabus. And then you would use OpenTuition alongside it for explanations and revision, specifically for those people who benefit from listening when learning. And then you would use Hamza's Academy exam packs for extra exam revision. Now, of course, those of you who require face-to-face learning or learn better face-to-face, it's better to go and find an institute and learn from there. But these resources are very useful for those who are self-studying or those who want some extra materials other than their, paid tuition or institute lectures that they're already using. So those were the 3 free ACCA study material sites. If you found this helpful, feel free to save or share it with someone studying ACCA. I'll be posting more ACCA related study tips and resource videos in the future, inshallah, so stay tuned. Thanks for watching and all the best with your ACCA exams.